All right, boys and girls, this is exciting stuff because this right here is my roll cage components roll cage. Now it's supposed to be a 6-point in the sense that it's not with a halo up top because I won't be wearing a helmet on the street, so it's best not to run the front portion of a cage. I did order it with extra door bar diagonals, but I don't think I'm going to run those either. Just going to keep it clean, keep it kind of a roll bar, a weld and roll bar, so or a half cage if you so choose. I bought it from Roll Cage Components. I'll put a link to this specific cage in the description. But it's got the main hoop pre-bent, it's got the down bars, crossbars, and then, as I said, it's got some extra stuff that we probably won't use in the end. And then in addition to the whole Roll Cage Components kit, I have these, which are the boxes, the strut tower, rear strut tower boxes, prefabbed, pre-bent, and these come from STIM. STIM is the same company that made my hood vents you guys saw earlier. They have some awesome stuff, but these boxes, one for the passenger, one for the driver's side, are for a special project they have in which they do like a push rod rear suspension for the E30. Super cool piece of kit, super expensive, didn't go that route. The cage will be in the way and everything. So, but you can buy these for $100 or whatever, and they are an incredible time saver. I don't know if you guys have ever watched videos or tried to make some of these boxes for your strut towers yourself, but you know that this is great because it's water or laser jet and then broken for you, and you just come in and go bing, weld it in, put your cage to it, good to go. So pretty excited for this, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Don't forget to check out the description for the link to the roll cage kit and the STIM boxes. can see, I've been coping and cutting and fitting this kit, just tack welding everything, making sure that it's all going to fit once I start welding it together. And basically it's gone together pretty easily. I've never built a cage before, so I'm pleasantly surprised with how well this is going. My gaps aren't amazing, but you know, I'm trying to get them perfect and edge up on them and get everything, the angles all good, but I think it looks really good so far. So I'm gonna keep going, and I guess now it's time to start welding pipes in. Well, after many days, a couple weeks of welding and grinding and painting and all that good stuff, I think I finally got it to the point that I'm happy with it. Everything looks very good. Got a little bit of like maybe touch-up paint or something to go on here, but probably not. Maybe just clean it up a bit. It's very stable. I'm super glad I tied it into the B pillars here. It stiffens the whole roof up and does not move around at all. So I know that the roof to the floor to the rear strut towers and the diff ears are all super tied in together. So there shouldn't be any shifting between any of that. The only reason I didn't do the whole front end and everything is just because it's a road car. So we're trying to keep it safe for me, safe for passengers. Don't want me slamming my head into it. Cage fits pretty good all around the sides with just enough room to fit all the factory trim, all the interior, all the headliner, everything. So that's why there is a bit of a gap up here, but it's only to fit that factory headliner in there without any issues. But my first cage, there's definitely some tiny issues, some undercutting on the welding. That's when there's like not quite enough metal, so it's a little shallow in the welds. But it's not going to be passing any tack or anything. It's just gonna be for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll try to make this video, or I tried to make this video as entertaining as I could. It's a lot of just the same thing. For those of you who don't know the anatomy of a cage, these are the harness bars, these are the main hoop, these are the I think they're the cross pieces, the rear stays and all that good stuff. So you guys saw me add all that separately, and it just keeps it all tied in together. But it'll keep me safe, whatever I'm doing. Hopefully I never end up wrong ways up, but better safe than sorry. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.
There goes a sight from my soul.